Okay, so this video is all going to be about the new Facebook Pixel. Now, there are a few things you need to bear in mind. When you start getting traffic from YouTube to your particular website, you are going to want to build up these audiences. Now, you can build up an audience by driving traffic from YouTube to your website, and you can then build up a Facebook audience so that you can then retarget or remarket to these people on Facebook. But you need to do a few things first of all. The step one is to create a business account with Facebook. It's going to be much, much better, and in the long run, you're going to want to use your business account. It's completely free. You just come to business.facebook.com, and then you basically follow the on-screen steps, and you create your business account. Once you're set up, you're going to want to come to where it says All Tools, and you're going to want to come to Audiences, or you can just locate it here, and you can come to Create Audience. So when you create an audience, you're going to basically want this. Anyone who visits specific web pages, and I would just put the URL of, I've done this already by the way, but I'm just going to put it in again. I would hit the foodbaron.com. I would then change this to 180 days. I would then in here put something like all visits to Food Baron, something that I can understand. And then I would hit create audience. And my audience would be created. But of course, nobody's actually visited my site yet because no one knows about it. So then what I want to do is I want to put a pixel on my website. So I come to Actions, View Pixel Code, copy the whole thing, come to my website, come down to where it says Settings and hover, come to Header and Footer, which is a plugin that we installed previously, paste it here, and I only need to do this once. What this will do, it will put my pixel on every single page of my website. Then I will come down and I'll hit Save. So now I have my Facebook pixel on every single page on my site. So as soon as people start visiting, they will be recorded in my audience inside of Facebook, and then I could, if I want to, take out advertisements targeting these people. They'll already know who I am to a certain extent because they will have visited my site. The next thing we want to do is we want to go to Google Tag Manager again. Why are we doing this? Well, if what we've done so far only allows us to advertise on Facebook, but we want people to who visit our site, we want to be able to also remarket them in other places as well. So what we can do in the Google Tag Manager is we can hit New Tag, or we can hit Add New Tag, doesn't matter. We can hit Show More, and we can come to Custom HTML Tag because Facebook's not one of the options here, and then we can paste our code in here. Then we want to hit on Advanced Settings, okay, and here, once per page, okay, that's very important. Hit Continue. All pages, create tag. Rename this Facebook Pixel All Visit, something like that, doesn't really matter, but you want to make sure that the Facebook pixel's in there. And hit save, and it will load, and it will say success, and then we just want to publish it. And once we're published, publish now, we are done. So let's go back to our dashboard. And again, we're just going to visit sites. And as we can see now, this little thing's turned blue, and if we click it, what does it say? Facebook pixel loaded successfully. So now we know that we have our Facebook pixel successfully added to our site, and previously we checked this one, and they're green, which is cool, so we know that our Google Analytics is added correctly, and we know that our Tag Manager is added correctly. And that's it. That's good. Of course, right now we have no traffic to our site, so there's no audiences built up. But we get this set up before, so we don't have to worry about it later. Hope this video is useful. Speak to you soon.